Hello, friends. Welcome back. My name is Sarveshwar. Today we'll discuss how to get rid of infinite values in R. Sometimes, when you make a loop for long duration using high frequency data for per hour data or per minute data, in that situation, sometimes data manipulation or data unavailability in the data, what happens? We are having some values, those are either positive or negative, infinite. In this way, inf minus inf plus. So these infinity values can create problem when we make further loop. Like for suppose this is a date 7 January, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 13 o'clock. Now I want to make another loop that simply calculate average every day. Suppose this is my percentage in last column, spot PC, this is percentage spread. I just want to get the average every day. In this way, this is a file for 3 years. For every day in these years, I want to find an average value every day. So I can't do it manually. I need to make a loop. But in the loop, when I get the NA, this will just create a big problem for us. So I need to these infinite values, I need to replace these infinite values with an a. How to do that? How to replace these inf values by what we can do here, we can replace these inf values, infinite values, by na, and we can use na.rm function just to remove the nas in our calculation. So this is the way, this is the code I have got from Stack Overflow. They suggest we can use sapply command on acc. This is the name of my file. Here we can see if it is infinite value, if it is having infinite value, then please replace it by an a value. Okay, so now we can, I'm just running the command. After this command, we can see all the inf values we were having earlier, now they are replaced by nas. So now, suppose I want to find, like this is the date 7 January 2012. I want to get average of percentage spread of last column, that is seventh column. So what can I do here? This is my file. Uh, I can subset the file based on the date. I'm just using subset command. That is a very simple command. Now I'm having the file only for date 7th, but I'm having the last row for 1300 hours is having NA values. So suppose I want to find mean value for the last column, spot percentage spread. So how to do that? What can I do here? Simply I can find the mean value of 7th column, and I can just put an additional command, supplementary command, na.rm is equal to true. Uh, Enter. If there is any na value, just remove it. So now I'm getting the value. In this way, I can make a loop for all the days in my sample. Thanks, friend. Thanks for watching.